winner for tonight's show. As a reminder, you're playing for this iPhone photo of a firework that I took that I've been holding the wrong direction the whole show. This is the right way. I held it like this, it's actually this, so, you know. And if you do really well, I might throw in a bad picture of the moon, too. For our final challenge, we're going to play Name That Sound. I'm going to play a viral video with a very interesting sound that the audience can see, but you cannot. You're each going to tell me what you think that sound is. Right or wrong, doesn't matter. Our audience will pick the answer they like the most. All right, both of you please head on over here to your spots on the screen. Rhys, if you could just turn this way. Great, perfect. Nailed it. All right, here's that sound. Oh, thank God. Thank God it's over. Rhys, name that sound.
It's pretty obvious. So I was a gnome, and I decided to go undercover with the knights. So basically, I rode my mermaid in through the ocean, and then I scaled the castle with my suction cups. And then, you know, I got into the castle, and it's ridiculous. I recorded the whole thing. I had to have sex with a whole bunch of grannies, and yeah, unfortunately, they all died at the end, but I became a undercover gnome knight.
And Rory, please name that sound.
I believe that to be early days of Hawk to a girl paying her dues. Earning it. You can't become a national treasure.
I recorded this, though. I remember recording this. This was my downfall. This is how I got found out as a fake knight.
Well, it was actually a man's chest being shaved.
Oh.
But, I know, right? But the audience liked Rory's answer the most, so that means Rory is our winner. Congratulations, Rory.